Join us on this epic adventure as we travel to this ultimate honeymoon destination in Ubud, Bali, as we explore some of the most enchanting spots that this beautiful island has to offer. In our last video, we started our honeymoon in Uluwatu, where we saw some amazing beaches and went to Uluwatu Temple. So be sure to check that out if you haven't. The best way to get around Bali is by Grab, so we got one and made our way to Wana Bucu Villas. Wana Bucu is an intimate hideaway in the heart of Ubud, which is within walking distance of the sacred monkey forest and plenty of restaurants and bars. We definitely didn't want to leave this gorgeous place. The villas at Wana Bucu have private pools on their beautiful patios, and we opted to get the flower pool and bath, which had thousands of colorful flower petals, which really made for a romantic escape. We highly recommend it here and wouldn't hesitate on coming back in the future. If you're interested in coming here, check out the link in the description.
Is that cat?
Our first destination from our villa was the sacred monkey forest. You know you're getting close when you start to see monkeys at every turn.
Look up.
Getting to Monkey Forest was fairly easy and only cost about 80 to 100,000 IDR, which is about $6 to $7 US.
Here we go. Here we go.
Come to me, baby monkeys.
The Monkey Forest Sanctuary is a must-see while in Ubud, as it is the home to hundreds of curious monkeys and is also the site of ancient temples and rich biodiversity, making it a unique and unforgettable experience. I've actually been here once before about 9 years ago, but it's changed so much that it felt like the first time being here.
The forest is fairly big, so we'd recommend expecting to be there for at least a few hours. My favorite part was seeing all the baby monkeys. They were so cute.
They may be cute, but are often known to be mischievous and sometimes even aggressive. But Lexy kept seeing people playing with the monkeys by letting them sit on their shoulders and laps. She just wanted to play with one, even though I kept telling her to be careful.
Be careful. Be careful.
You are freaking cute.
Needless to say, she got chased by a monkey, but watch until the end to see exactly what happened.
The next morning, we decided to go for a walk to check out the local shops and restaurants. Ubud has a lot of culture, and we'd recommend just walking around and seeing what you may stumble upon. The streets are lined with beautiful temples and something new to explore around every turn.
If you watched our last video when we were in Uluwatu, we found this place called Suka, which had an amazing breakfast. We saw there was one here, so of course we had to come back again. After breakfast, we took a Grab and went to the famously known rice terraces, which you always hear about, which I don't know how to pronounce, but I'll go ahead and just put it on the screen. These breathtaking rice terraces are probably one of the most picturesque places in Ubud. When you walk in the main entrance, you have to purchase tickets for the activities you want to do, including the famous swings and ziplining. It was a little overpriced, but we do feel it was well worth it for the experience.
Ziplining over the rice terraces was probably one of my favorite things to do. With panoramic views in every direction, there's honestly not a bad view in sight. Exploring the rice terraces by foot was also as scenic as expected. You can't help but feel a sense of awe at the sheer scale and beauty of this serene landscape. With numerous viewpoints and lookouts, it's easy to see why this is considered one of Bali's most romantic spots.
Since this was our honeymoon, we decided to take a silver workshop to make each other rings for something more tangible for us to remember this amazing trip. We got to cut the metal, choose what patterns we liked, and also got to pick out stones to use for the designs of our own rings. It was pretty difficult at times, to be honest, but they were super helpful and made sure our rings turned out exactly how we wanted.
Oh no, that's bad.
We had a lot of fun doing this, but let us know in the comments if this seems like something that you would like to do.
Do you want to just chill and enjoy a stunning day club that offers relaxation, amazing infinity pools, and a beautiful view? The last place on our list will offer just that. It's obvious why this peaceful nature escape is the ultimate day club experience in Ubud. We decided to get a day bed, which required a minimum spend, and it was kind of pricey, but laying there soaking up the sun, ordering all the food and drinks we wanted, while getting to enjoy the pools and the view made for an epic relaxed day away from the constant travel. They give you a time limit of 5 hours when you rent one of these day beds, but it was plenty of time to swim and relax. Cretya is much more than just a pool party. It's an experience and a state of mind, and we can't think of a better way to enjoy a day on our honeymoon.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to see where we go next to continue our honeymoon. Oh yeah, I almost forgot.
Lexy, Lexy. Lexy, Lexy.
Okay. Scott, help. 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 No. Don't run.
Don't run, yeah.
Yeah. He's huge.
Know what I'm saying?
Be careful.